This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. Desirable Northeast Suffolk Cedar Point Golf Course Community. Updated home with navigable water, boat lift, and great views. Primary bedroom on main floor with open floor plan, and walkout 60 feet deck that covers entire back of home. Mother-in-law suite, or perfect home for guests, or entertaining. Custom-made hand-hammered iron and glass front door, with new iron stair railings inside, new carpet, paint, new custom-designed foyer and stone fireplace wall. 2 gas fireplaces, and 1 wood. New mantle in primary bedroom and new ventless fireplace/mantle hearth in living room. Cedar Point Country Club newly renovated. For more information, review the details.